Speaking of people having a good time, last time we saw him, Cleve Bryan was lying in the snow doing a snow angel. He's now upright, but I see you've cleaned the 47 sign there in Deptford, Cleve. What else have you been doing?
Yeah, I stopped laying down on the job, and I think my snow angel pleaseth the storm because it decided to snow a whole lot harder in the last half hour since we last talked to you guys. Yeah, you couldn't see that 47. You still can't see the whole sign over there. I made a bet with my cameraman, Tommy Gardner, that I could run over during the live shot and clean it off before he hits it with a snowball because he thinks he has a good arm. Mr. Tommy is firing away with all the snowballs he made. I think I'm going to clean this thing off first. You're not even going to hit me. Tom, you stink. But drivers, you got a clean sign so you know which way to go. By the way, I'm such a huge fan of the movie Jaws. When they say, I think you're going to need a bigger boat.
You're going to need a bigger brush.
I think I'm going to need a bigger brush.
Yeah.
This thing not doing the job too well. In fact, you know what? I got one of these before the storm. It's one of these cheapy ones, unfortunately. And it had the ice scraper. No, that didn't last.
Yeah.
Now, you got to get the real deal.
Yeah.
You got to put out a little more of an expense right there for CBS 3. But it's still coming off the car. Still nice, light, fluffy, fun
Cleve,
snow for everybody to enjoy.
Wait, I
know.
What'd you say?
Do we know whose car that is, or are you just providing a service?
It's my wife's car.
Oh, that's very
okay.
nice.
Now I'm trying to keep it nice for her.
It's
your wife's car. You better finish
it.
You better finish it.
No, she gave me the SUV.
That was
I'm
nice.
trying to keep it nice for her, that way I get to use it again.
Sure.
But now I'm wishing that I had, there's a theme here. I buy the cheat brush. I wish I had gotten the four-wheel drive, so I keep digging it out.
Yeah.
Got to have my escape plan,
Well, all right. Well, we'll leave you to it.
Tommy wants to keep hitting me with snowballs.
I'm glad to see you guys. You're certainly having fun. That's good.
Yeah, Cleve, you're a little out of breath, man. So slow down. I'm feeling you. You're a little out of breath.
You got to be quick on your feet here.
You do.
But don't fall. Don't slip.
The whole kitchen help here at the 7-Star Diner just came out, and they were all launching snowballs at us. So I'm getting my exercise out here.
That's good.
All right.
Get some
That's
steps.
good stuff.
We'll check in with you in a bit. Thanks, Cleve.